You can't get much more boring than insurance.
Bueller. Bueller.
Not just insurance, but business insurance. So this one is Skyward Specialty Insurance Group, ticker symbol SKWD. They are based out of Houston, Texas. They were founded in 2006 and they just had their IPO this year, which is very rare. A lot of businesses have been holding back in 2022 and even 2023 to go public. Typically, what happens is you really want stronger financials. You want the market kind of taken off. Then people go public, so their stock really takes off. Well, this tells us something that, number one, they're getting ahead of it because 2024 could be a very big year. Even Goldman Sachs said that. I would agree with that. We're out of this bear market recession, so businesses are going to go public and could really pop in 24. Well, this one here, they're kind of proving to everybody that, hey, we've got something here to show off. And I'm going to get to those financials in a second, but here's a little bit more about the business. So jumping over to their website, you can see some of their products, including transactional E&S. This is excess and supply. So think about business insurance, but covering things that are over and above. I was looking into this a little bit, and it can include large operations, like sometimes in real estate, sometimes oil refineries, things you usually don't think about, but need specialty insurance for. That can solve that problem. If I click on this tab here with industry solutions, you can see they focus on like specialty transportation. I've had some experience with freight. If you have a large freight company with, think about hundreds, if not thousands of trucks out there, you got to have specialty coverage, and it can be a big budget just to cover the insurance for all those vehicles, so they can help with that. There's construction. Think about all the construction in the world, especially commercial. I'm thinking about the expansion of buildings, commercial buildings, downtown locations, even suburbs, and they solve that problem on the insurance side. There's energy, of course, like clean energy is not going away anytime soon. And then there's inland marine. I was looking at professional lines. They have a management insurance product, which if there's ever a company that has, like, let's say a lawsuit for mismanagement, well, that management insurance covers that. That way it can't like pierce the corporate veil, can't take down the company or take down any of the executives. So really interesting product that they offer there. There's surety bonds, and there's a lot of products within, primarily focused on business. I like insurance because in most cases it's a necessity. You can't avoid it, especially if you want to protect yourself. Think about health insurance or home and auto. But on the business side, same thing. If you want to protect your businesses, you need that in place. And I also like insurance because reoccurring revenue. People are usually making payments monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every year. We like those reoccurring revenue business models. Okay, let's jump into Tykr and how I found this stock. I was actually on the dashboard and I was kind of clicking around to see the top gainers, top summary changes, top score changes, and top margin of safety changes. And that's where I found this stock. So looking closely, we can see this stock is on sale, scores 56 out of 100. And this is the big one. Margin of safety is 90%. The share price is around 32. Upside potential of 161. That's outstanding. And if you scroll down, you can see year-to-date returns, 68%. That's fantastic. And that MOS, you can see, went from 70 up to 90 in just 24 hours. Okay, this is where things really get exciting. Go to the earnings calendar. You can see their estimate was 35 cents. Reported 65 cents. They beat it by 85%. This tells us something. All right, let's check out the financials. And I want to pause here before going into the revenue, net income, and EPS. So when a business goes public, they don't have to disclose their numbers, their revenues, when they were private. It's nice, but they don't always do that. In most cases, I see a lot of IPO stocks, they go public and maybe 1 or 2 quarters in the past, and then everything moving forward. Well, this company here, so confident, they revealed, like we're talking years back, to show us where have they been and where are they going. This gives investors a lot of confidence. So drilling in here, take a look at this revenue. It's almost perfect, quarter over quarter increase. You'll see that with insurance because it's a reoccurring model and it's definitely a necessity. It's a nice increase there. Net income, you can see, yep, not a perfect story here going back to 2020, but March of 21, they jumped up to the positive, a little volatile here, And then it was really December of 22 when things started to take off. A little decline here, looks like March 23, but nice consistent increase quarter over quarter ever since. You jump to EPS, it'll be a very similar story. And this right here, this is why that margin of safety is 90%. Nice, steady increase, and these are almost all-time highs. The profitability is the best it's ever been. So there you go. I had to share this one with you guys. I like to find these hidden gems and kind of share them with the community. If you like these videos, I'd love your feedback to see if, yeah, you want me to find hidden gems, or no, you really don't care and you want me to talk about Tesla, Palantir, and all the usual suspects. But anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to start investing on your own with confidence, I invite you to join Tykr for free.